Hello everyone.
Hey Rob.
And welcome back to Dog and Partridge, the place of fine home craft ales. If you haven't met me before, this is my eating to help out, sod off and drink up, world famous brother, Hilden Partridge.
This is my brewmaster for the day, Partridge. What was that? What do you mean?
Well, one day you can eat help out to eat out, next day you got to drink up and sod off.
Oh dear. Oh, there you go. Anyway,
Let's not get political, let's talk about
here in the wonderful DMP, where beer flows free, especially for me.
And especially after 10 o'clock. Okay, we can't get us in here after 10 o'clock, don't I tell you now.
Anyway, what you got for me tonight, bro?
Well, we're going back to Wilko's again. We're going to try for another one from their artisan brewing range. And this is, I believe, Thirsty DevIl.
Thirsty DevIl, artisan range. Better get the old specs on, see it properly.
It's a red ale.
Yeah.
Tawny red ale, it says there in the middle, at the bottom there.
Yeah, it does, yeah. Our own brews 40 pints, 1.8 kg. Still one of these Wilko kits we had on the other week, didn't we, folks? See if we can get that right in there. There we go. Yeah.
Again, around about 16 quid. You got to add your bag of beer enhancer. Cost you about 6 quid. You can get a beer enhancer perfectly mixed with spray malt and sugar. The only thing I've done different to this kit is add pure brew.
What's pure brew, bro?
It's a thing you can get from Harris Dark Rock Brewing and the Home Brew Shop. It's basically a yeast and water enhancer.
Okay, right, yeah.
There you go. And of course you do get a bag of dry hops with this. A little tiny bag of, I think it was Cascade with this, bro.
There's quite a nice nose to it, bro. Give a bit of a swirl more in there.
Nice malty nose, actually.
Bit of all sorts going on in there, isn't there?
Does say malty.
It's quite nice, huh?
You know what? I'm impressed again. I think that's better than the filling hoppy.
Oh, I'll go with you on that, perhaps. It's quite smooth. I mean, it's by no means a full grain kit or anything.
Oh no, but I mean, don't get us wrong. You've got to go, when you go full grain, you've got to understand about the mouthfeel. This is I wouldn't say flavoured water, because it's not. But compared,
It's far from it.
It's not got the body of a full grain beer kit,
No,
or a part grain.
It's nice, it's smooth, it's almost refreshing a little bit. It's
Yeah, it does say there's a dry hoppy back end on there. I think it does exactly what it is. It's a nice red ale with a dry finish hoppy bitterness. I'm really impressed.
Yeah, well done, Wilko.
For one can kit. Well done, Muntons.
Okie dokie.
It's obviously Muntons are making beer kits for Wilko.
Right, what are you giving it out of 10, bro?
Well, actually, it's not bad beer. I'm quite shocked and surprised at the same time. It's still retaining its head quite well.
Yeah.
8 out of 10.
Definitely for me, bro. It's a nice little kit. Good start, a sort of place to start out of that, isn't it? Yeah. Good.
Quite easy to drink that.
Yeah, lovely. So, where in the world are we going next?
We're going to Ireland to get a brewed.
Get a brewed.
And many of you now, this current situation as we stand today, we're probably using our own brew sheds a little bit more, and be serving your beer through an hand pump. If you do want to serve your beer through an hand pump, straight from the barrel, just a bit of pipe and one of these bad boys.
See that? Can you see that?
That's a check valve.
That's a check valve, that.
You'll need that, even if you're serving your beer from a corner keg to an hand pump, you'll need a check valve in between the two.
Right, yeah.
But that else, your beer will just run straight through.
Straight through.
Get one of those, bit of piping, you know your beer.
It kind of pulls it and stops, doesn't it? Stops the beer, pulls it, stops the beer.
Also, it stops the recirculation.
Yes, going back in as well. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. So,
we're going to do
get brewed. Golden ale. I don't think we've got a thingy for this, have we? So we've got a bit of a printed off thing, but my brother's. Yeah. No.
Yeah, just come in a bag.
Coffee Summer Ale, 4.5, RDE 20. It's classic golden ale showing hops without any caramel sweetness. The Cara Gold achieves a golden colour without any caramel sweetness, but also lends the beer some body and rounded mouthfeel, despite the dry finish. Perfect on cask for a quaffable summer ale. Right, there you go then.
Now, the only problem I had with this beer kit brew, I couldn't get it to brew down.
Oh.
I got what you got called stuck fermentation.
Oh, wrong. Okay.
So all those home brews out there that mess around with the gravities, I got the starting gravity, I missed my starting gravity, but I only got half down to 10, 10, 15, 10, 17, which meant it only brewed to about 3.2, 3.5
right,
instead of brewing to the 4.2 it should be.
Okie dokie.
Hence, as well, hasn't got a lot of body.
It's not got a lot of body, has it?
So if anybody help me out there, why I even tried to add more yeast to try and get past this stuck fermentation. It just would not move.
Quite a nice crisp nose to it though, right?
There's a good citrusy nose there too, isn't there?
Shit. There's going to be a lot of that, isn't there?
It's not as nice as what I'd like. The hops
It's all right.
The hops there are a little bit sharp, if anything.
Yeah, but there is that caramelly sort of bit afterwards, isn't there?
There's a caramel bit afterwards, but the hops are way too.
Well, I could say actually, yeah, another
I wouldn't even say like punchy like citrus. I'd say sharp like grapefruit.
sharp. I'll go for sharp on that, mate.
And because it hasn't got a lot of body, it does. Actually, that feels like a watery kit.
I'll go as nearly far to say as the one we just had was better.
And that's a kit.
And that's kit.
And that's is nearly a £30 all grain kit.
Truth.
Because obviously now Get a Brewed have teamed up with Chris Maltins.
Yeah.
And they've released some new beer kits on their website. Look out for their recipes. Go on there and you're about to try these and see if you have a better look than I do with this one.
Cool.
Because that's about a 7 out of 10.
Yeah. So if anybody knows what he's done wrong, there you go. Yeah, I'm going to over there.
What do you give that out of 10?
7.
Yeah, that's right.
About 7. Yeah. I mean, yeah. There you go.
There you go.
We've got more, haven't we?
Yes, we've got another one. We've got another one from Get a Brewed.
This is Hilden Chairman Chevalier, I believe. I think I've got this on my phone because
It's all straight from the cellar, straight out the cellar.
straight out, sir.
Straight out the barrel.
Again, full grain.
Full grain kit. In these full grain kits, you do get hot tea bags to add to your brews, which is quite handy actually, because you don't get a load of gunk
Everywhere.
and green stuff.
Brewed to celebrate the heritage malt Chevalier and the rich and malty flavour it brings because it's such a special malt variety. We have added the delicious New England yeast to bring that real stone fruit flavour. And it's packed with awesome bit hitting American hops for the aroma. It's 4.4, IBU's 20. There's a list of what was all in your kit. Oh, there's a lot in the kit, bro.
Yeah, which is why it's 30 odd quid.
Yeah, I just noticed on here. It's 32 nearly.
So it must be good, doesn't it?
Yeah. Well, 31.25. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
It must
Just
be good.
use quite a bit of hops, that's why.
There's a lot of hops in there.
Yeah,
Just looking.
that's why.
Lots of different grades of hops as
Yeah.
well. So like aromate several times, sort of thing. You know.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Right.
Give it a whiff, bro. See what you got.
Ooh.
Ooh.
I'm getting all sorts in there, bro.
There's a lot going on in the smell. There's a lot of like hoppiness, and
Fruit, citrus, yeah,
citron,
all sorts of.
grapefruit.
I'm going in.
Going in.
I'm going in.
When you said grapefruit, I didn't realise I made.
We did it again, bro. You've made alcoholic grapefruit juice.
Oh, sweet mother of God!
Oh, yeah.
If somebody told me I made a cider instead of, Jesus,
I've had smoother ciders than that, right? Oh, yeah, okay. I'm going to go in for a second taste because, you know.
I just made my eyes water.
I'm going in for a second taste.
Jesus. You getting second taste?
I wouldn't. Oh, yeah, bigger.
Oh, it's just about the second time. Oh my! When he says American, did he say bit in hops?
They're just a bit hops.
Bit hops.
Yeah. Let's have a look. What did he say? Oh, specs near up.
The hops in there don't come together at all. This, I mean, people like
real fruit flavour and packed with awesome bit hitting American hops for the aroma. But it says it's got New England yeast to bring that real stone fruit flavour. I reckon the fruit's been stoned all right. Jesus Christ.
stone fruit flavour.
Well, that should be like plums and stuff
Something's
like that.
gone wrong here as well.
Stone
No,
fruit.
because that's nothing like stone fruit. This is like eating
that's
actual grapefruit.
Yeah.
That is like drinking, and unlike Elvis juice, which is like supposed to be like a pink grapefruit, etc. This is pure. Sit down with your breakfast in the morning and have a grapefruit, cut in half, have a spoonful.
Very much so.
There you go. It's in the glass.
If you like your grapefruity beers, I'd buy that.
You'll be mad.
Well, you see, I'm not. To me, it's getting on the line as a Velvet's juice, but not obviously with that.
That's nothing. No, that's getting on the line as a cider.
It is a bit. It has to be said. It has a bit. Well, there you go then, bro. So, out of the 3 kits we've tried tonight, the best was one from Wilko's.
Dun dun dun.
What are you going to get
And
that?
on that bombshell.
What are you going to get that out of 10?
Oh God. 5.
I'll go with him because I'll never go lower than him. I'll make him go first. But yeah, you've brewed a lot.
I wouldn't brew that again, ever.
No, I wouldn't let you.
That's disappointing, isn't it?
That's disappointing, isn't it?
Best kit in the Double Bar tonight's a Wilko kit.
Wilko's. And on that bombshell.
Back to the studio. Oh, we're in the studio.
Oh, we're in the studio. Oh, we're in the
bugger.
studio. Thanks for all those people subscribing on YouTube and watching our videos.
Yes, thank you very much indeed. It's very much appreciated. The numbers do keep
keep going up.
going up. Thank you very much indeed. If you are watching on Facebook, please check out our YouTube channel and just press that
Just
subscribe
button, lovely.
Be much appreciated.
And go ahead and comment, say what you like, anything in there. Yeah.
Yes, I do try to respond to all your comments. Thank you very much for the comments.
I sometimes do, but my computer blew up, so I haven't been able to.
Can't be as bad as that.
Well, there is that.
I'd like to say what we've got coming up next time, bro, but I haven't wrote it down.
But you've not changed the board, so I can't.
Then we have Australian Sparkling Ale from Dark Rock Brewing. We also have another one from those guys at oh God Christ.
Anyway, see, that's why he writes them
That's
down.
why I write it down.
So we've got an Australian sparkling, haven't we?
All I know is we've got an Australian Sparkling Ale.
And possibly 2 more than the beers.
Definitely 2 more millies of some kind.
Is that
So if you don't want to miss them, please subscribe. Whatever those beers may be.
Right, yeah.
Right,
Yeah, finished?
yes, that's about it. Thank you. So it's a goodbye from him.
It's a goodbye from him.
Toodaloo.
I take it you've got a bit of a cold going.
No, I've got